In this video, I'm going to show you how to refund items in Roblox and get Robux back. First, go to your Roblox website here, go to settings, and here you're going to go to help and safety, violation and appeals, support. Here you're going to fill in your username, first name, email, and everything. And here choose the device that you're playing on and choose the category that says purchases using Robux. Now in the subcategory you wanna choose like website item if you have bought something from the marketplace. So here like hats or something, skins, then this is website item. If it's something from inside a game, like one of these games, so it's gonna be in experience item. So let's just choose this one, and here so here might help you get something. So here what you're gonna fill in the description for why you want to refund it. So you're gonna have to put the name of the item. So if you go here, you see there's like name, put the full name and ask politely for a refund, and then click continue, and you might be prompted to like just answer a few more questions, but you're gonna get I think within like 48 hours the response. And that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.